Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I'm back with another video, and I just wanted to do another video. I'm on my way to bed, so I wanted to do another video before I got in bed so that I could really sleep. My mind just goes all the time, most of the time, okay? But as you can see, it says master the foundation, build a successful business. Okay, master the foundation, build a successful business, become financially free with Oliabo. And I'm going to say this, that I think Oliabo is an amazing opportunity. I really do. There's just so many things I love about what I'm seeing, and how the company is moving forward. I mean, they're working on more tools that we can use to get the information out about this opportunity. Okay, health and wellness is something that's always been near and dear to my heart, so I'm glad for this opportunity. The other thing I like about it is I've always loved olives and olive oil and things like that, and so they're putting everything in place. And if you do a Google search or AI and look at the benefits of high quality olive oil, you might be surprised. Okay, but I'm getting ahead of myself, and that's not really what this video is about here. So if you look here for me, it says before chasing rank or bonuses, master the basics. Okay, and this is what I highly recommend. Okay, one, you use the product. Okay, it's free to join. It's free to become a rep in Oliabo. Okay, it's free. And but that gives you the opportunity to come in and get some product for yourself, for your family, etc. Okay, and then understand the science. And I already said something about that, and that is going to Google and look at the benefits of high quality olive oil. But I also have information for you that it's already done for you, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Okay, but you might just want to take a look. Okay, and then you want to share consistently. All right, so you want to build that foundation. Okay, and all this stuff here is what I call foundational stuff. Okay, and it is foundations that build freedom. And so what we want to do, if you want to get in business, not just Oliabo, but hopefully Oliabo, but any business you want to get in, you want to make sure you have a solid foundation so that you can build upon that foundation. Okay. And check this out. Build belief. All right. And for me, it was kind of easy because, I knew some of the stuff about olive oil and olives. Okay, olive fruit, olive extract, olive leaves. I knew some of that, but boy, there's so much more to know. And the benefits for the human body is pretty exciting to me. Okay, but look here. Here's the thought: people don't really join products. Okay, they join conviction. And so you want to find something that you can be passionate about, that you're convinced down in your heart of hearts that this is good and this is something that you want to do. Okay, let your belief, now look at this, let your belief in Prima, and once you get into Prima and understand what it is and begin to use it, gosh, it's going to empower your belief. Okay, so let your belief in Prima and the mission speak louder than any pitch you may give. People like, people to be excited, and you don't have to be, all that, but you got to have that conviction deep down in your heart, and you got to know in your knower, so to speak, that what you have is tremendous. Okay, for people. Okay, now look. Okay, let's look at some thoughts and lessons from some ultra wealthy people on becoming financially free. So let's do that, and then I'm gonna get out of here so I can go to bed. Okay, all right, stay with me for the next minute or two. Okay, so I just checked my sound, and I'm hopefully everything is going to be okay. It might be a little low, but I raised the sound up a little so that I can get through this, and hopefully, you know, the other part wasn't too low. Okay, but look at this: thoughts and lessons learned from some ultra wealthy people. And what I do is I listen to people online who are, I mean, you know, bona fide millionaires, billionaires, etc. Very, very, very wealthy people, and I take some thoughts of what they say, how they became financially free, how they became rich, etc. Okay, and so I'm going to start putting some of this stuff in my videos. Okay, because we got to stay motivated. You know, because part of the foundation too as well, which I actually forgot, but I'm going to say it here, is having the right mindset. You want the right mindset. We've got to become success-minded, goal-oriented people to take our lives to the next level. Okay. Now, look here. Number one, love being an entrepreneur. This millionaire said, or I think this actually was a billionaire, said, love being an entrepreneur. Leisure is doing what you love to do and giving back. Wow. And these are things, you know, you can just think about. All right. Number two, this person was a billionaire too. Easy choices, hard life. Hard choices, easy life. And this one, I love this one as well. Ignorance is expensive, so learn to swim before you drown. And, you know, sometimes you just got to take a little moment to think about what these people, what their point was. But when you think about it, it's like, wow, that's pretty powerful stuff, right? And here's a thought from T. Harv Eker. And I was introduced to T. Harv Eker some years ago. And I have his book, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. And this is a thought from that book. If you want to move to a higher level of life, you have to be willing to let go of some of your old ways of thinking and being and adopt new ones. The results will eventually speak for themselves. Well, that's what I have for this video. And I want to thank you once again for taking a moment to check it out. Okay. Be sure to check out the information I have provided for you in the description area of this video. Visit my website. If you want to send me an email, I'll invite you to one of our team Zoom calls, whatever. All right. Make a move. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.